Hello everybody, Model Report Nation. I'm back with another awesome unboxing. Today I have a package that just came from Las Vegas. And I believe it says Gemini Jets right on the side here. I did get this from, I think, Panda Fox models, but it shipped from Las Vegas, so I don't know. I thought they were in a different state, but anyways, guys, hope you guys are doing well. Let's get into this unboxing video. So, let's check it out. So the Lufthansa A380 800 here. I haven't had a Lufthansa A380 yet. This is my first Lufthansa A380, so I'm very excited about this. Especially I want to add this to like the T-bit and stuff. So that's gonna be nice. 2023. So pretty much, besides like having like a different livery of this, all the A380s of LAX are now completed. So that's really cool. Let's set that right there. Next up we got CRJ 900 here. So I can add these to my Detroit layout. Wintertime, as you guys can see. Video will be up soon. So yeah, I got some CRJ 900s. I know Delta has retired their CRJ 200s. I heard rumor that them flying them around here and there recently, but I think they're just such cool looking airplanes. And why not, right? Let the legacy live on. So here you guys go. Some of these very special CRJ 200s. So I did get 5 of these guys just because I know they're like rare, and they're gonna be rare at least, and they'll look great on the airport. So especially once I do my MSP airport more and I get more of it done, like I can put these CRJ 200s. Look at these things. Actually, I've flown on one of these from I think I did from Salt Lake City to I can't even think of it right now. Montana. Look at this, guys. There's CRJ 900. Yeah, pretty much a lot of CRJs here, as you guys can see. So, another CRJ 900. So yeah, we're trying to make a CRJ army here, obviously, because these are huge CRJ gates here at Detroit here. So, especially Detroit and Minneapolis. So we're definitely going to have to invest in our CRJs here. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8 CRJs, 1 A380, and then we finally have the 767. That's November 120 1P. I know this airplane is flying in real life too. I've seen it on the radar. I've just been like, I never bought it because I have a bunch of 767s. I know they're gonna be retiring these eventually, but I just never got this one. So I finally have this one in the collection. So really happy about that. I know it's got like the updated markings. It's got like more of like the colorful awards on the side of the door when you enter too, that doesn't have that on any of the other ones. So really happy with that. We know where I'm gonna put this, guys. There we go. And then next up we got the we got a 717. Look at that. All right, guys, we'll set this over here. This is a big unboxing. Another 717. Kind of investing in this, the 717s and the CRJs here, because it's just something that I never really invested in, I guess. So now I have these forever, and I can kind of have like a legacy layout of these, you know. So that'll be really cool. And I guess saving some of the best for last here. Oh yes. Oh yes. Korean Air 747-8. I have to open this box, guys. We gotta get this thing open. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Oh my lord. Been waiting for this for a long time to finally have a Korean Air 747-8. Very happy here, guys. This will be flying to Atlanta. It will be flying to Honolulu. And it will be flying to LAX occasionally. So, Really beautiful airplane. Very happy to finally have this. Wow. So cool. All right, guys, so that does it for this unboxing. As you guys can see, here are all the CRJs. 767s, A380, and the 747. So thank you guys again for joining me today. I will do another video showing the airplanes in the future, but hope you guys enjoyed this massive unboxing here today. I'll see you guys in the next video. While Airport Nation, you guys, happy collecting.